Everybody can recognize a check. But although this check looks real, it's a fake. Hi, I'm Andre Avery, United States Postal Inspector. Fake checks are showing up in social media scams that target young adults who are trying to make some extra money. In one scam, a person pretends to hire you as a mystery shopper to evaluate a retailer. You get a check with instructions to deposit it in a personal bank account and wire some of the money to someone else. In another, you apply online and think you're getting hired as a personal assistant. You get a check and are told to use the money to buy gift cards and send the PIN numbers to your boss. In these fake check cases, the scammer will send you a check. They'll tell you to deposit it or buy something, take some of the money out to send to the person who contacted you, and then keep the rest. Easy money. What a deal! Ha! Don't believe it. While the check may look real and the funds may initially show up in your bank account, the check is fake. By the time the bank realizes it, you'll be out the money you sent to the scammer and owe the bank any money that you withdrew. So, how do you spot the scam? It's actually pretty simple. If someone you don't know sends you a check and asks you to send money back to them or to someone else, it's a scam. I hate to derail your easy money job, but I'd rather help you hold on to your money. For more information on scams, visit uspis.gov.